Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For you guys that are new here, hi, my name is Erika and I do videos on vlogs, hauls, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe.
Today we're trying all the holiday drinks.
Yes, we're trying not all of them. The only one we didn't get was the white Irish
cold brew.
Cold brew. I almost said cold foam. So I'm gonna tell you guys what we got and we're gonna try the new one now. And I have never tried these holiday drinks. I think I only tried the peppermint one because I don't really go to Starbucks that much. So I'm gonna try them and you guys are gonna see my reaction and everything. But this one is the new one. It's not the new one. This was the new one. This one is the sugar cookie almond latte and it has like sprinkles on the top and it's iced. I don't know if you guys can see. This one, just focus. This one is the new one, iced, has sprinkles. I don't know if you guys could see. And this one, I believe, yeah, it's the toasted white chocolate mocha. And I'm so sorry, like every time I film, I feel like something melts and the whipped cream is like melting. Cream on the top. You see that? Okay. All right, so, and then this one is
Peppermint Mocha.
This is the Peppermint Mocha, everyone's favorite one. Like a lot of people like this one, I guess.
Oh yeah.
This one is
Caramel Brulee.
the Caramel Brulee. I never tried that one either. And this one is the Chestnut Latte. I never tried this one either. I'm gonna try the newest one from Starbucks, which is the sugar cookie almond milk latte, because I'm sure you guys are wanting to see how this one tastes. And this one's ice, so I'm gonna taste it.
Chestnut Berlin.
It's okay, honestly. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's not that good. Here, you try it. Well, you can see the sprinkles while you drink it.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's not
that good, huh? Maybe in a hot it would be good. Maybe I should have got the hot
almond milk. I guess because of that almond milk.
But I like almond milk. I rate it like a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, I don't. Okay, now let's try a hot drink because he loves the hot drinks. So let's do the. This
is the Chestnut Berlin.
The Chestnut.
This is the fan favorite.
It's hot. I don't really like hot drinks like that, but
I'm just making sure.
I don't know if like all of them don't have flavor today, but this one is not that great either. What the?
Really? Really?
I don't know. Is it just me? I don't know. Taste it.
Let me see.
Maybe it was because the flavor of this.
Oh, does have some taste.
What am I supposed to taste? Because it just tastes like coffee, like regular coffee.
I guess chestnut.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Okay. I give it like a 7 out of 10. Sorry for everyone that likes this one.
Maybe the people like add pumps or something to this one? Or
I don't know.
Extra something?
Yeah, I don't know. But if you guys have any recommendations, let me know down in the comments. Okay, let's try this hot drink.
I think you should go with that one.
Oh, because it's the whipped cream's melting. Okay, so this one, I know, I opened my straw weird.
Maniac.
That's why I opened my straw. Oh, this one's a toasted white chocolate mocha, and I was so excited for this. I'm like pretty sure this is gonna taste good. And this is the one that has like sprinkles right there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What? Okay.
I don't know what's going on with today.
This has flavor, but it's just like
this one has flavor. Oh, this one got seasoning.
It definitely has seasoning. Okay, if it makes it, it's not that bad. I rated like an 8 out of 10. This one's pretty good.
Toasted white mocha. I never tried that one.
I low-key feel like if this was in like a hot drink, this would be fire. That's where I fucked up. I got the cold drink in a holiday drink.
Whoa.
It's a lot of flavor though, right?
Yeah, this one's good.
Wouldn't it be good if it was hot? Huh. I would recommend probably that one in a hot drink, but if you want to try iced coffee, you guys should definitely try. But it's pretty good.
This one tastes like,
This is my favorite so far. What do you rate it?
That one's like, 9 out of 10.
9 out of
Just because I'm not a really iced coffee person, I prefer hot.
He likes hot coffee.
These are mine right here.
But this one was not great. This one was pretty good. I'd probably get this one again. This one's a caramel brulee. I know a lot of people talk about this one. Caramel.
How do you say caramel? I say just caramel.
So this is the caramel, right? Caramel brulee.
Yeah, it's chest.
Let's try. Oh my god, hot drinks always get me scared because you know when you burn your tongue and it like the next day it's just like you don't taste anything or like it burns your tongue. Oh, this one's good. Shit. This one is good. Oh yeah.
That one's good?
That one's good. This one's like really good.
Is it? Hold on, I think the top, they didn't put the top right. That's why I noticed it.
Oh, do you think that's why it kind of spilled in the car?
Oh yeah.
It's good, huh?
This one's bomb.
That one is 10 out of 10 for sure. Period.
Oh yeah, this one's good.
That one's good. I'm gonna put my favorites here so you guys
I'm usually like, this is the one I always go with, Peppermint Mocha. This is my favorite for the holiday, but I think I might start getting that one.
I think I tried this one before, but I don't remember. I'm telling you guys, I don't really go to Starbucks like that, but
usually for the fall we do more.
I usually try to go more for the fall because I love pumpkin and I love fall. So, but
yeah,
let's see. Oh my god, but can we first appreciate the like what do you call it?
The cups?
The cups, yeah.
The red cups. The red cups are back.
Their marketing is so good. Like I just gotta appreciate it as a business major. Let's try this. This is the peppermint one, right?
Yeah, that's Peppermint Mocha.
Okay, here we go. That one's good too. And this one, like, you definitely taste peppermint. If you don't like peppermint, this might not be the drink for you, but I like peppermint.
I'll see what happened. All right, we got a guest star.
Oh my gosh, if he had coffee, whew, he's already hyper.
Oh yeah, this is mine. This is like
that's
my
your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay,
this is the one I get every year.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is the one I get every year. This is like...
Put your favorites on...
This is my favorite.
The final three, guys.
Peppermint. Damn, Chestnut didn't make it, guys.
No, it was literally tasted just like regular coffee to me. Maybe they didn't make it that well.
This is like a fan favorite for everybody. I always see this one getting talked about a lot.
So
this one and this one, the caramel.
Yeah. So the newest Starbucks drink, I honestly did not really like it. I'm gonna try one more time, but...
Damn, maybe we should have got that one like one hot and one cold.
We should just got all of them hot, I feel.
Yeah.
Oh well, it's okay. It's because we saw this video that this girl had it iced, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna try it iced, you know?
I'm going back with my peppermint.
I feel like maybe if this was hot, it would be better. I don't know. Iced is just not cutting it.
And guys, I like when she does these videos because I get coffee. Starbucks videos, always a great.
Okay, so these are our final three. If you guys want some recommendations, these are it. I don't know if you guys can see. I just know like this, I want to describe this drink to you guys, but it doesn't taste like a sugar cookie.
All right, taste it now. Now it tastes a little bit better.
This doesn't taste like a sugar cookie. But maybe hot. If you guys want me to try a drink, just let me know down in the comments. I'll try it for you guys. But it's just because nobody recommends drinks for me. But yeah, so these are our final three. We recommend them. Let me know what you guys think. We are definitely gonna not put this coffee to waste. We're gonna finish them all and go crazy today.
Editing done by today.
Editing is done by today. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.